In this tutorial, we will create a video player that plays a video from a URL using WebKit, WebView and SwiftUI. So this is the app functionality we will create. As you see, I need to move this within the class. In this tutorial, you will learn how the view model. And you see, this video was retrieved and playable via YouTube. And to see, here's a video. This is an actual YouTube video that we're playing within the app. So to create this application, we need to start a new SwiftUI project. Within your content view, we need to import WebKit, and then we need to delete the lines between 14 and 17. Also delete the padding. And then on line 13, we add a spacer just to push the content to the top. The text element as a caption, which is called watch the video. Font, title, just to style the text. Font weight, bold font, padding, just to add some padding around the text. The next thing we need to do is, after lines 25, is to add a web view. So we just type in struct web view, and the web view will implement UI view representable. UI view representable. UI view representable is a protocol in SwiftUI that allows you to integrate UI-based views into your SwiftUI application. We need to create a function called make UI view, and that function will return a WK web view. Within the function, we need to create an instance of WebView, WK WebView, and then we return our WebView instance. We also need to include a URL property so that we can pass in the URL that we want to be playable in our app as a video link. And then we need to implement another function, which is called update UI view. So this parameter, it should be called WK WebView. This function I just moved at the bottom. And then on line 37, the next thing we need to do is to convert the URL to a string, which will be a URL object. So type in the following, just do a bit of safe unwrapping, video URL equals URL, string URL. Let request equals URL request, which is the name of the video URL. And that should be URL. UI view dot load request. On line 39, what that will do, it will load the URL request into the web view. I'll just compile it, just make sure it's compilable. Type WebView does not conform to protocol. UI view representable. Make UI view context return. I will need to delete some because we're returning WK WebView. Try it again. It's compiled. The next thing we need to do is return to our body within the content view. And then we need to pass the parameters to our web view, which is the URL. So we could use any URL. I just use the URL for my YouTube channel. Which is this one here. They can use any URL. You could use a URL on your own website. It doesn't have to be YouTube. I'll just paste the URL, which is a string. .frame, .height, just to style the WebView a bit. .height is 300 pixels. Corner radius 12. Shadow radius 4. Padding and spacer. The purpose of the spacer is to push the content to the bottom. Edges ignore safe area, which is all. And now I'll just run it to see if it works or not. It's just loading at the moment. It's taking a lot of time to load. I know it's loaded, but I'll rerun it just to make sure, so that you can see that it really works. Yeah, Xcode is really slow sometimes. Yeah, here it is. So this is the actual video from YouTube that we're playing within our app, or that we will be playing within our app. As you can see, it's got the play button there within the WebView. So now I just click on play. Accidentally, I need to move this within the class. In this tutorial, you will learn how the view model isolates logic from the UI components. And that's how you can play a video via a URL within your application. We could also implement the usability of the application so that the user can specify which video they want to be played. We could add maybe a list of videos or a list on another view, so that when the user clicks on that list item, that video is retrievable from YouTube and played within the app. In future videos, I'll be adding a tutorial that enables the actual application to retrieve all videos from YouTube within a list, and then when the user clicks on the list, when the user clicks on the video within that list, it will play that video within YouTube. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.